Anybody who's anybody in the laundry industry is here.
It's a fantastic venue for what I think is the premier awards event for our industry.
Excellent, you have to come every year.
You've got lots of people that you know, that you can see, have a drink with and mix and that, but you've still got that little vision of excitement. It's who's going to win.
It's probably the most enjoyable gathering together of the year for the laundry and dry cleaning industry. I think the setup and the people that come here are such a great time. Mark and Tina have put on a great show again and we're looking forward to it.
Tonight's nominees, thank you very much.
We'd like to welcome you to Mercedes-Benz for the Go-To Awards event for the laundry, dry cleaning and textile care industry. The LADAs are now in the 4th year and are open to end users and suppliers alike, and from the feedback received are now, with its unique style, established as the most recognised programme on the calendar.
Well, the LADAs are unique and they're for my industry, so the thing that I'm really passionate about, and therefore to see a room full of our peers and to see people that have done really innovative and exciting things is quite affirming. It's what we want to see and it's a positive statement for our industry.
It's got a slogan, everyone needs a slogan. It says, John Lennon Airport, above us only skies, from the song Imagine. That's beautiful, isn't it? But all the baggage handlers, they were complaining, going, we want a slogan. So they got one from the same song, Imagine No Possessions.
The LADAs for us is one of the top award events in the industry this year. We've been coming for several years now and thoroughly enjoy it. It's a great networking event and it's just great, to mingle with everybody and catch up with old faces and see new faces.
Okay, ladies and gents, the final award. The final is the Lifetime Contribution Award. The winner is...
The award goes to Richard Orford.
Wow. And a rightful standing ovation for Richard. Congratulations. Incredible.
Anybody who's anybody in this industry is at this event. It's a fantastic evening with fantastic people who all share a common goal, and we're all here to support the industry, and we're looking forward to obviously growing and being a part of the LADAs for many years to come.